Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 22nd of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Pisces, this is your channel song, and we should say condolences to the group that once was. Our condolences is sent out to the family of Liam Payne. That's his name, right? I believe so. This is your channel messages though. Oh my God. I'm on board. We'll go close in high tempo, light and dark. Hold me hard and mellow. Seen the pain, seen the pleasure. Nobody but you, nobody but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So if we kiss the neighbors in a place that feels the tears, place that lose your fears, oh, reckless behavior. In a place that's so pure and so raw and so dirty. In a better day, fucking and fighting on. And it's our paradise, but I was wrong. And it's our paradise, and it's our war zone. Pillow talk. My enemy is my ally. Prisoners. Then we're free, the thin line. See the pain, see the pleasure. Nobody but him, body but us, bodies but me, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So if we kiss the neighbors in a place we feel the tears, place we lose the fears, oh, reckless behavior. In a place that's so pure and so raw and so dirty. In our bed all day, fucking and fighting on. And it's our paradise, it is our war zone. Now it's our paradise, and it's our war zone. Pillow talk. Oh, there's nothing that makes me more scintillating than pillow talking, okay? So I'm getting Pisces. You're doing some pillow talking. Now, one thing we did know in Jamaica, sometimes they did say, don't get in man and woman argument, because you don't know a man and woman lay down on the pillow talking after them finish. So I'm getting pillow talk. Is either your ex are talk about you to them current girlfriend, them just don't have sex, and them on the pillow talking, and them are talk about you. Whoa, you are in the bedroom of your ex and a new woman. Or should I say your ex and her new man, right? Okay. So I'm getting them a pillow talk about you, or I'm getting you want somebody for pillow talk with. So I'm getting you don't want sex. You want intimacy, you want cuddling, you want romance. I'm getting no penetration. Something about pillow talk. You just want to hug like a pillow, be there like a pillow, or you just want to talk under the sheets. Something like that. All right, let us go ahead and go into your reading. I see the pain, see the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. I'm dying to wake up to a perfect body beside me, huh? Okay, let's go. We have the Fool card coming on first. Okay, so the Fool card is usually I'm free. I can do what I want to do, okay? Maybe you're free from that tune, leave it up alone so you can be pillow talking with a new. I'm getting the Fool card. Aries energy, but it's also freedom. We're getting it free. It probably was a pillow talk. At least I was wrong.
So what is your question, Pisces? Whatever question you have, ask it, and I will see if I could answer it to the best of my abilities, Pisces. Let's go. We got the Knight of Pentacles. So Knight of Pentacles, it could be a no to me. It can be a yes, but yes in 3 years. And yes in 3 years don't serve you that much purpose. So I'm getting the question that you're asking, it will take a lot of time for Bill. Or it's going to take time before you can withdraw this, okay? Me getting a new endeavor. This could be trading with the pentacles up in the tree. Me getting, or something about a, not a TSA FA account, something about an account where you can put money in but you cannot take it back out. So I'm getting that's the downfall of it. If you put money in, you can't take it back out until it's completed, the cycle completed. Alright? Now, what happens if you decide to don't do this, don't put the money there, don't invest the money in this opportunity? If you don't do it, because I'm getting you have a lot of money and you want to know where to invest it in. If you don't do it, it's the devil. What the fuck does that mean? So if you don't do it, me getting you're gonna be tormented every day or you're gonna spend off the whole of the money. Me getting in order to prevent you from spending off your money, you need to reinvest it quickly. Or you're gonna spend it on material things. You're on Instagram looking, and then as soon as it's something, you click the link in the bio and you went to order it. So me getting if you don't follow it, if you don't follow this, it's going to torment you. If you don't follow it also, you'll find other ways to blow your money. Me getting you know you have a bad habit with money and you need to invest it fast. So if you don't invest it, you're gonna blow it. You're gonna spend off on chase. What do you plan to do with the money if you win lotto? Oh, spend it on hookers and woo! What do you plan to do if you win the OLG lotto winning that you were promised 5 years ago? Oh, I plan to, help out the people and give back to the community. Psych! Okay, let's see what happens if you do follow this, you do invest this, and you do create this account or this funding. 8 of Cups. I'm getting, so me getting you just get a payout. You get money, you get an insurance claim. Some people around you know, so you just get money. They're telling you, come invest in Forex. Invest in Bitcoin. They might tell you if you invest in come invest in an NFT. Me getting your money are done either way. If you invest, them will rob your money. And you're going to feel depressed as to why they do this. And if you don't invest, you're going to spend off the money anyways. I don't know what's happening with your Pisces, pillow talk. Unless it's somebody else's money you have. You have somebody else's money. Maybe somebody was pillow talking with you about an account, how much money them had in their account, and you were trying to find a way how to steal it. Was it a Ukrainian account? Whatever happened to that Ukrainian bank account with how much blood clot $1,000 in it? I still have the account number, the RP. Whatever happened to that Ukraine account with how much money in there? Did it go to Scotia Bank? What happened? Whatever happened to it? Or somebody say, yeah man, we have this new business, invest. If you invest, the money are done. So this is either not your money, your thief Masonic money. Because you're getting your thief money but you can't access the money. That look like a Mason money, a thief. Usually money have spell upon it. When you thief money but you can't access it, the money have spell upon it. You deal with a Mason. Or, I don't know, me getting, there's something about, I don't know. I feel like you're not supposed to have no money. You curse yourself, or you did something back in your childhood that curse you to a life of either homelessness, torment, or you don't have nothing. You don't even have underwear, to be very honest. That's the life you was cursed to. So I don't know if you meet somebody and you get access to feed them money. Because me getting you can't access the money. If you don't invest the money, you're gonna spend it off. If you invest the money, then I'm gonna spend it for you. Me getting it's not your money. You're not supposed to have this money. It's for a reason. You're trying to find a longevity of how to spend someone's money. Me getting the devil tell you say you're not supposed to have none. So you trying to spin it, you still not get nothing. It's gonna scam you out. I don't know. I'm getting you one of those people. I don't know, man. And this don't look like Baphomet devil where you can summon Baphomet for use for magical powers. This look like the devil where you hide away, you get no love, no sex, nothing. You just rot away. Your teeth them rot out of your head. Every day you get sick and you're just dead on spot. That's the devil me seeing. Cause me getting money there, but you ain't getting it. And if you get it, you're gonna dead and somebody else will get it. Cause me getting something about maybe when you're younger, you make a deal with the devil and you did rob somebody. Me getting ever since you coming like fucking Johnny Bananas. Your life coming done out like Johnny Blood Clot Bananas. From Johnny Bananas, they robbed the blood clot girl. What's your name? Tia Maria? Tia Maria? When Johnny Bananas and Tia Maria was doing the challenge. And they must go up in the hill. And I don't know what happened, but Johnny Bananas did have more points than Tia Maria. And them asked him, what you want to do? You want to split the money or take the money and run? Him say, I'm going to take the money and run. And the girl dropped to her fucking knees. The way the girl couldn't believe. Ever since Johnny Bananas took the money and never shared the money with the girl, him never win another challenge, him never get a big boss yet, and him never hold him hand on so much money. That is what greed to you. See, when I was doing the whole bullshit calling out script that was funded by another Italian, right? And him write the script greed was good. Him did not say greed did good. Italian, if you know about blood clot greediness, you never know that. Let Italians tell you about greed. Them can tell about blood clot greed. Greed is not good. So me getting, I don't know what you did, Pisces, but you were very greedy. You probably have a big blood clot, swine, pig belly. Because you're too blood clot, greedy and gluttonous. That's why you'll never be happy in life. I'm so sorry. You are forever bound to the devil. I don't know what you did when you're younger, but apparently you summoned the devil and you summoned it for wrong reasons. And you never held a fucking check since, did you? Any check you did hold now, you and a teeth in check, don't? Yeah. Because of whatever the fuck this is. Let's get some cards and I'll leave it here. We have magic. Yeah, magic upon you. Pictures and videos. We have handler. We have Pisces. So a Pisces curse you. Me getting a Pisces is cursed to a life of them not have nothing. Me getting the Pisces. You do too much blood clot magic with the fucking devil. That's what the fuck you did. And knowing you know bathe, you know wash your pussy and you know wash your blood clot dick. You know brush your blood clot teeth either. Cause that type of devil there we are deal with. And you don't harness that energy, and then when you get money, you decide, say, oh, I want to go to the dentist to get new teeth, I want to buy a new wardrobe. The devil will take back everything from you. So, Pisces and magic, yeah, you do too much fucking witchcraft. I remember the story about this woman, and she gets so fucking sick, and them tell her you do too much witchcraft, she can stop. Whoever you do witchcraft on, you do it too much, you do it for long. Leave the people them alone. Stop do it. And she decides she's not going to stop. She decides she'll go back to the blood clot graveyard again. You know, remember a couple months ago, I do one reading. And the way I do the reading, it look like the whole froth of my mouth, the way how me I talk. I'm going to say go back to the blood clot graveyard again. I drop blood clot down. I did a reading like that. I warned Pisces. I said, Pisces, if you go back to the blood clot graveyard again, go do the magic where you do upon the people them again, your life I got blood clot mash up. I warn you months ago. Your life I got blood clot mash up. So you can't say me never warn you. You're trying to be somebody's handler, you got turn the blood clot MK Ultra E. Cause you don't learn. Thank God that my head was rest on a pillow and it wasn't rest on the floor. Cause that did blood clot save me. I cannot say what is going to save you. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.